Hey y'all, I'm Shivi. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I want to talk about white sand, smooth sand. Guys, I'm cold. I am so cold. Just drop it in the comment section which perfume you would recommend. It's a tin $3,000. Hey guys, I'm outside. 2 males or is it male and oh 2 females?
I have a male.
Okay. Oh, Eve and Mary from the Bible.
I used to have one named Adam.
Oh, Adam passed away.
Another one named Tito.
Oh.
Another one named Jimmy.
They look pretty cute. Yeah, they look.
I'm bringing them over.
Oh, you bring. Repeat?
No, I'm bringing them away.
Oh.
I'm only have them out for like a 4 or 2.
Oh. So they can't stay out long in the heat. It's because of the heat?
And then the heat will get bored. So.
Oh. Okay, the first time ever got a close up to one of them. Yeah. Why this one is not friendly? This one is not as friendly? Okay.
I can pet her, but anybody else kind of.
Oh, okay. You want to pet her? You want to touch her? You can touch her. You can slowly. Alright, thank you. So I found this hidden gem in OCHI RIOS called Bamboo Blue. It's a private beach and $1,500 to come in, and I think I'm loving it. Yeah, it's the second time around. I found this place, I think it was in 2024 or 2023, and it's pretty cool. It's a little hideaway spot. If you don't know, you don't know. Some people know about it, some people don't know about it. And if you want to come here, it's right beside Rio Hotel, that's it, OCHI RIOS. Yeah, so outside we have white sand and it's pretty cool. It's a bit windy, so the air blue. The skies are really blue. Zozo! no rock, no juke you, no in your way. You just walk smoothly. Like me tell you, so the sand is everything. I love the sand so much. When you talk about white sand, bamboo blue, right? Bamboo blue, sand smooth like this. See? I know what I got with the sand. You don't like the sand? You don't like here? Huh? Oh yes, it is.
He's over there.
I can't mess up this stand. Excuse me. Yeah, everything is 14 US dollars. Saltfish family, I can't saltfish spring. And I'm gonna take a show more.
First I wanted to put these little parts.
so good. I don't know.
I got relaxed.
Guys, you remember December I did my Christmas advent calendar unboxing and I had some mini perfumes, and I said I wanted to get the minis before getting the bigger bottles because I am going into my perfume era. So from that I created an Amazon gift registry and I was gifted 3 perfumes from that registry. I'm going to do the unboxing, and I also want to show you my small perfume collection that I've started. It's nothing compared to the perfume gurus that are out there. I just started, so it's a very small one. I want you guys to also comment in the comment section which perfumes you would recommend me to also add to my gift registry. Let's get into it. Oh, I put on one sweater, guys. I'm cold. I am so cold. Alright, so the first one is a berry bread. I'm excited. I love perfume. It's with me, guys. Yesterday, can you see it? The plaid, you can't see it, but it's very light. It smells very fruity. Well, I feel like I smell grapefruit. I've got to check the notes and smell like grapefruit. Let me check the notes. This wouldn't be like my favorite. Maybe if it's have to go work on me, like, you know? Yeah. It's very light. It's refreshing though. Alright, we're getting to the next one, alright? Marc Jacobs. This is a daisy. Ah, this is a what? 1.6 ounce. This is that little weeny teeny weeny. Like a flower on the top. Alright. They're very lightweight as well. You're not strong, you're not overpowering. So you want something more very lightweight and very subtle. Yeah. You're not strong, you're not go. If you have sinus, you can work with this. And I have sinus. But I still buy the strong perfume them same way. I don't know. But this, if you have sinus, can work with this. Very smooth, subtle, not strong. Okay, on to the next one. I'm happy like a child in a candy store. Okay, so next berry. Okay, this is berry touch. This is for men, so I use both men and women. Can you hear me? I said before, I like strong perfumes. Men. All right, I'm gonna spray this. For some reason, this smells like a shaving cream or some. I don't know. I don't know, like that. I don't know if my nose is blind right now to the two perfumes that I smelled before, but it smells like shaving cream, like a very good shaving cream, like a good smelling shaving cream. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to feel. I don't know. Can I for try to work my way around them and see. But it's not strong. Me think it must be strong, it's not strong. I like all of them still. I don't know how to feel about them, but they're okay. And thank you very much for them. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the my little collection. Alright, it's small. Alright guys, so the first one is Blue de Chanel, YSL Libra, Valentino Barney Roma, Prada Paradox, Coco Madame Moselle, and we have Savage Dior. Well, this black one is not a perfume, but it's a lotion. It smells so good. Daisy by Marc Jacobs. We have over here this one. It's Azaro 1 Million Police Dark Natural Spray. Giovanni, Jimmy Choo. We have the silver one is Azaro Obsession for Men by Calvin Klein, because I'm telling some like men cologne, so you're gonna see a few of them in there. And Curve, it was like my go-to day one, every day, everywhere, and it's very very cheap. And Nautica, when you can see me used to use Nautica very very much. Yeah, so this is my little weeny collection. Yeah. Alright guys, but if I start, we always start and just drop it in the comment section which perfume you would recommend and only think my start, you know, because even not start too bad still, you know, a start is a start. And I always appreciate you guys watching, and you can remember to like this video and comment in the comment section, okay, and subscribe to the channel.